Once upon a time, ChatGPT was the most exciting thing in AI. Now, there's a new kid on the block. Say hello to AutoGPT, the ultimate AI tool that can do whatever you want, even be your boyfriend or girlfriend. So what is this Auto-GPT? Picture GPT-4 but on steroids. GPT 3.5 marked a turning point in AI. Then, GPT-4 swooped in and took the baton. Just when we thought things couldn't get any better, boom! Here comes another mind-blowing innovation. AutoGPT is an open-source project on GitHub created to showcase the power of GPT-4. It has been making waves for its ability to understand and generate human-like text, just like its predecessor, ChatGPT. But that's not all it can do. What truly sets AutoGPT apart is its incredible self-prompting capability. This capability allows it to carry out tasks without input from the user. How this works is that it allows the user to give AutoGPT a role. Then, it will provide a list of tasks to execute. Combine this self-prompting ability with the strength of GPT-4, which includes file storing and summarization capabilities, and we have one of the most potent AI models ever. So what's the wizard behind the curtain? Let's lift the veil and dive into the inner workings of AutoGPT, shall we? Powered by deep learning algorithms and fed an ocean of data, AutoGPT is a master at pattern recognition. Its neural networks analyze complex patterns and draw insights in the blink of an eye. Thanks to GPT-4, AutoGPT has unprecedented processing capabilities that take natural language processing to unimaginable heights. The result? Accurate and personalized responses that cater to your needs like never before. And here comes the cool part. There's no technicality involved. The process is as simple as it gets. To use AutoGPT, all you have to do is prompt it to look up what you want it to, or tap into its outstanding role-playing capability and give it a role and a list of tasks to do. AutoGPT will connect to the internet to solve the task, providing accurate and up-to-date information. It will then put all its findings in a file for easy accessibility and end the task when complete. You're probably wondering if you heard things right. Yes, AutoGPT will connect to the internet to solve whatever you want it to. Now that's a real game changer in AI models. The ability to connect to the internet to solve tasks will reduce incidents of AI hallucination. AI hallucination is a common problem with AI models, even ChatGPT. Have you ever tried something in ChatGPT and it goes off, spinning facts and events that never happened? AutoGPT will reduce the possibility of AI hallucination, as it has the vast world of the internet to draw information from. Now, I'm going to show you some of the most impressive examples of AutoGPT in action. Prepare to witness the disruption of industries across the board, particularly in the field of programming. Trust me, the current applications for AutoGPT are insane. The good thing is, you can join in on the fun as well. Let's see how. 1. AutoGPT as a virtual boyfriend. Yes, that's right. In a humorous but intriguing example, AutoGPT became the perfect boyfriend, only he was virtual. Bummer. So a Twitter user named Makenya Daima shared how he used AutoGPT to chat with his girlfriend on WhatsApp. So here, we can see he gave AutoGPT the role of being the perfect boyfriend with the name Talk to My Babes on WhatsApp. The AI name already had me cracking up, but let's move on. And the description of the AI's role is to open WhatsApp and reply to his girlfriend's messages. Now, on to the goals of this task. This is nothing you'd expect. Honestly, the goals are quite enlightening, and I'll explain how in a few moments. But I almost can't take them seriously because it's just so funny. Okay, the goals are to have a conversation with his girlfriend while he works on other projects, finish the conversation at 10 p.m. by telling her goodnight, and keep her engaged on what her day was like and let her know he missed her. Oh, Makenya, you're so sneaky. The last goal for AutoGPT is to wrap up the conversation and help him build his Twitter account. When I saw this, I almost didn't believe it. It sounded so incredulous. But hey, anything is possible with AI, right? Apparently, Makenya has never been such a good boyfriend until then. Way to go, man. While this is a funny example, it shows AutoGPT's potential in automating personal tasks and interactions. It's like having a reliable, personalized assistant who knows you inside and out. AutoGPT will come in handy as a customer service representative or social media manager. As a social media manager, AutoGPT can manage social media accounts. It can come up with personalized replies and engage with people on a personal level. It's also capable of producing high-quality material and scheduling posts. We can see this in action here, with Matt Schumer using AutoGPT as a personal assistant to write tweets for him. He asked the AI to go through his Twitter profile to understand how and what he tweets about, and write new tweets for him, which it does perfectly. As time-consuming as social media management can be, it is easy to handle for AutoGPT. In customer service, it could reply to queries objectively. You could even use it to conduct product research. It will assess and evaluate consumer patterns and behaviors and synthesize the results into a cohesive summary. In April, Joshua Browder, founder of Do Not Pay, shared that AutoGPT would be integrated into Do Not Pay on iMessage. With AutoGPT, tasks like getting a refund, canceling a subscription, or fighting a credit bureau would become as simple as texting a friend. This shows how AutoGPT can streamline customer service and make it more user-friendly. With AutoGPT, you can now have an AI-powered assistant ready 24/7 to attend to clients. You get an effective task handler that will help manage your duties effectively. Not only that, it will prioritize them based on their significance and urgency and complete them accordingly. This next example worries me a little, and you'll see why soon. AI is evolving rapidly, and it's definitely going to hurt some industries in the process. But let's see the next example. 2. AutoGPT as a developer. So we've seen AI being the perfect boyfriend, but did you know that AutoGPT built a website in under 3 minutes? You're probably thinking, what in the world? But that's where AI is taking us. Twitter user Sully shared how he set up AutoGPT to build a website. He gave AutoGPT the name FullStackGPT with the task of building a website using React and Tailwind CSS. The goal was to have the background in light blue and a header stating "Made with AutoGPT," which we can see here. There's also the goal to create a basic form input with a name, email, and phone address that's hard to miss. It did all this in under 3 minutes. As if that wasn't impressive enough, Sully decided to take it one step further. He shared how he used AutoGPT to build a more complex website, from scratch this time. In the previous example, Sully already had a code which he had AutoGPT update and modify. In this case, AutoGPT created a login sign-up page and styled it with Bootstrap. It then created a Flask API for login, logout functionality and a local JSON database for data storage. All these took place in a record time of approximately 10 minutes. The best part? It only cost 50 cents. This is an excellent example of how AutoGPT can be used to automate complex web development tasks. But it doesn't stop there. AutoGPT does an incredible job of automating software installation and setup tasks. Twitter user Varun Maya shared his experience using AutoGPT to create an app. The AI recognized that he didn't have Node installed. AutoGPT did a Google search on how to install Node. From its results, it found a Stack Overflow article with a link, downloaded and extracted it, and then spawned the server for him. And Varun's contribution? Well, he watched. Varun noted that he didn't tell AutoGPT to use Node at all. It took that decision by itself as the autonomous GPT agent it is. He also stated that AutoGPT did the code evaluation in real time, which is another cool thing about AutoGPT. It can write its code and run Python scripts, so it can debug, evolve, and enhance itself recursively. This is one compelling AI model that we still seem to be scratching just the surface of its insane capabilities. So we've talked about a couple of real-world applications of AutoGPT, but there's one more that puts the icing on the cake. This is the most exciting application I've seen so far, and it's in the field of research, particularly the medical field. 3. AutoGPT and research. Twitter user Kaji shared his experience using AutoGPT to tackle hay fever. He gave the AI the task to eradicate hay fever. AutoGPT came up with a detailed plan. The plan included devising an algorithm to predict hay fever, planning an app for data collection, and promoting partnerships with pharmaceutical companies. And get this, the user didn't prompt AutoGPT to come up with this specific plan. It did so independently of him and at the speed of lightning. This isn't your regular AI stuff, it's way more advanced. Still, AutoGPT poses some risks. I mean, AutoGPT is one of the most sophisticated AI models currently, and it's unavoidable, but it poses risks to human labor. There's a massive wave of AI retrenchment going on. Now we've got another impressive advanced AI model that can understand and generate natural language. We've got AI that can write and understand code, build websites, carry out human interaction, be an unpaid and effective, always available assistant, and so much more. We'll just have to wait and see how this progresses. But then, it's up to us to learn how to adapt to the times. AutoGPT can be a great tool to enhance efficiency and boost productivity. I guess for every bad thing, there's a good, right? From building websites, coding, writing, conducting research, and social media management, to being a well-rounded assistant, AutoGPT is proving to be a game changer. Oh, let's not forget, it can also be the perfect boyfriend. So what are your thoughts on AutoGPT? Has it set a new standard for AI-driven productivity and interaction? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe for more exciting AI content, and we'll see you in the next video.